If a student is rushing through her work, she's not going to learn as much as a student who takes her time and works conscientiously on her tasks. You can use the information in your dashboard to determine which students are rushing through their tasks. To identify a student who is rushing, you'll want to look at 3 of the columns: videos and apps used, quests started, and quests completed. Keep in mind, as you're looking at this data, if students are using eSpark for 20 minutes per day in one subject area, they should be able to complete one quest within 1 to 2 weeks. If students are moving any faster than this, then they're probably rushing through their assignments. Now, the first thing I like to do when opening a dashboard is to compare the quest started column to the videos and apps used column. Students who are rushing through their work usually don't spend that much time in one quest. If I notice a student has started their quest in the last few days and has already zoomed through a majority of the videos and apps in that quest, that's a red flag. Take a look at this dashboard and check out Susie. She has been in a quest for 2 days, but she's already used 10 apps and videos. This shows me that Susie is spending a very short amount of time practicing skills in her apps. Susie probably will not learn too much from playing each app for the minimum amount of time. Now that we know that Susie has been rushing through this one quest, we can check her quests completed column to see if this is a pattern of behavior for Susie. It looks like Susie has completed 3 out of 6 quests already, whereas many of her classmates have only completed 0 or 1 quests. Now let's look for other students who might mark red flags and appear to be rushing. Check out Erin. Erin has completed 9 apps and videos in 2 days. That's another red flag. I also notice that she's already completed 5 quests, which is more than most of the other students. Now there's one more student who jumps out to me as a student who is rushing through her eSpark assignments. I'm looking at the quests completed column, and I'm noticing that one student has worked through many more quests than her peers. Ellen has already completed 13 quests, while her classmates have not completed nearly as many. Now that I know that Susie, Erin, and Ellen have been rushing through their eSpark work, I can make a note to check in with these students and observe their behaviors. After observing these students, I can make a decision as to how I can best intervene. I might pull those students aside and talk to them about their work behaviors. I might tell those students that I have noticed their work patterns in the dashboard and that they will need to go back and replay apps that they may have rushed through. You will probably have your own methods that you already use in your classroom for handling this type of behavior outside of eSpark. Now it's your turn to practice identifying rushing students on the mock dashboard. Use what you've learned to find the students who are rushing through their eSpark assignments. Share your insights with a partner and explain how you would handle this situation in your own classroom.